what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So I gave this signal to my VIP members. Okay, I just gave the signal a few minutes ago. You can see this 1 minute time frame. So I gave the signal a few minutes ago. Let's say like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 10 minutes ago, and we are in deep profit. We are in deep profit. You can see our entry. That's our SL up here. This is our SL up here, and our entry here. We have a TP down here. Okay, we have our TP down there. So if we hit our TP, we'll be making $60 each position. Okay, like $63 a position. Okay, so I'll quickly show you guys my reason for this trade where I'm giving this buy my this sell signal on crash 300. You know, crash 300 is very volatile. It's the highest, the most volatile synthetic pair, a boom and crash pair, all right, or assets, all right. So I'll give you my reasons for this trade. Let me quickly show you guys my reason for this trade. So guys, if you're new on our channel, please smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. Let's grow together, guys. Like the like our video, my video, and let's grow together like that. All right, so my reason for this trade, let me delete this out. You see, if I zoom out like this, you can see this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend, right? That's a downtrend. Now, you see, when you're drawing your trend line, this is the origin of the trend. This is the origin of your trend. You must make sure that you identify that level. You must pick that place. You must pick that place. Then the second touch will be this one here. And the third touch, you drag it. After the second touch, you drag it out. Don't don't draw um or when you have obstruction like this, like something like this, you want to draw it like this, that it will suit your analysis. Just make sure that you do the right thing, you put it right as it is. What I mean, like doing it like this, you can see now, I don't know if you can see that, you can see now that this place is above the trend line. Here is above the trend line as well, so you must put it on the shadow. Put it on the shadow. Well, you just need experience, because sometimes you need to adjust it a bit, but you must put it on the shadow. If you are new into trading, you must put it on the shadow. When you put it on the shadow, it's easy for it to follow up the markets without jumping to the market a bit too early. All right, so now that's the downtrend right there. That's a downtrend, and this is not all. That's a downtrend. Then after that, since we're still in a downtrend, we see market is moving like this: lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high right here, and lower low. Now market back to this point again to create a lower high. So I believe market is going to drop again. So if we get to approach our TP, I'll tell my people to remove their take profits and move their SL below, so that we can catch all these moves. All right, we can catch all these moves all the way down to this point again. So this is a downtrend. It's very simple. Then again, when we come down here to find a better entry, we look at this to our left. We see that we have where market has been reversing before here, and this other place market has been reversing around those level, those zones. So that's, you can see that market has been reversing, has been respecting that zone. That's a key level on our chart. All right, look at that again. This is a key level on our chart. Okay, key level on our chart. So we know that markets will be respecting this level again and reverse. Okay, that's why I gave the signal. Then again, another reason I gave the signal at that very point would be candlestick confirmation. Candlestick confirmation. So we check on the 1 hour time frame. There's a candlestick that I love trading. This candlestick has a rejection. The first candlestick has a rejection. First red candlestick has a rejection before around this level. That shows that the market has rejected going upward. All right, it's likely to start selling. So that's another reason. You can see now we have three reasons why I'm giving this signal. So that's another reason. Though when I entered this trade, this very candlestick, this very one here was green candlestick, but I knew that since we've had market has printed this candlestick, this um high probability that it will be dropping. Markets will be dropping. You can see this one rejected as well, and it drops. Okay, it drops. So we'll be hitting our TP pretty soon, but then I'll tell them to remove their TP and let's target this low here. Let's target this low. All right. So you see, that's very simple. Then again, if you go on the lower time frame, that like the 15 minutes time frame, we had another confirmation on the 15 minutes time frame. I saw that market created it just started creating something like a double top. This is the first top and this is the second top. So and we had a clear red candlestick here that shows that market is about to drop, and this one went up and rejected and started dropping. That was the reason I gave the confirmation. So I've gotten like 4 to 5 reasons why I'm giving this sell signal. That is not all right. There are some other things you need to take note, look out for before taking a trade. All right. So our academy is open. I love telling people, they will tell you, why are you paying. The thing is, if you want to do this thing on your own, it will take you a while. You can do it on your own. You can watch YouTube and know how to do your trading. You can watch YouTube and do your stuff. But how long is it going to take you? It will take you years, even more than 2 3 years, for you to discover a working strategy. Why? Because somebody will not come and give you a complete strategy. Do you understand? Somebody will want to give you a bit of what yes and give you another one gradually like that. So it's hard for you to come up with a complete trading system. So for it to be successful, you need to look for someone that is doing well, someone that is legit, not someone that is wealthy. I'm talking about someone that is willing to teach you what you need to know about trading, someone that will sit down and teach you everything you need to know about trading. So my academy, I'm always free. We always have a live session where I'll be there. You ask your questions and I respond to them. I give you assignments to be sure that you're following with whatever we are doing. You grow that way. So check the description area to join our free Telegram channel for free signals. I'll be giving currency signals free. All right, for free signals. And yeah, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. The VIP platform is on. Let me show you the VIP, guys. Okay, so this is my VIP. You can see this is a VIP. This is the signal I just gave now. All right, that's the signal. And we gave another signal early this morning. We are still in profit, which is VIX 7518. We are still in deep profits, guys. So we are not joking here. We are not scamming people here. We are doing the right thing. So I've given 2 signals today and we are in good profits. More signals to come. So that's it, guys. Let's work together as a team and grow together as a team. That'll be all for now.